I'm here to show you how to install and remove the Speck Presidio Sport Galaxy S9. Oh, sorry. Okay. Samsung Galaxy S9. Hi, I'm here to show you how to install and remove the Speck Presidio Sport for Samsung Galaxy S9. First, let's unbox it. Open the flap of the cover like this and remove the plastic. Pull out the case gently, and here is the Speck Presidio Sport for Samsung Galaxy S9. Make sure to clean the case and the phone first so that there won't be any scratches or smudges. When both are clean, let's put it on. First, place the phone from the bottom part. Press in the top right and Press in the top right and left edges, and there you go. The phone is in the case. Next, I'll show you how to remove the case from the phone. Removing the case is easy as installing the case on. Press the left and right edges on top of the case and pull out gently. And there you go, it's out of the case. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!